Okay. So you acknowledge me that my voice is clear to you. So today we will start the second part of the Sunita in the space. Little bit I have explained you in my offline video. Now the second part, as I will give you the little bit introduction about the Sunita. Last day or yesterday I have taken the offline video, so I hope you have come to know from there. So there was some information about the spaceship and the space. So Sunita is actually Sunita Williams. Actually she was she is actually astronaut of America, and she joined NASA for 14th and 15th expedition on the space. She went there, so she had lots of knowledge about the space. So whatever you know, what is the full form of the NASA? That is the National Aeronautical and Space Administration, and in India there is ISRO, isn't it? Now Sunita's experience in the space was very fantastic, because she was everything she was feeling, it was floating, and her hair become straighten up, and as her hair become straighten up, and she was floating wherever she wanted to stop herself. That time she has to strap herself or tie herself, isn't it? So why it happens? Do you know why the hairs become straightened in the space? Anybody can give me the answer? Why the hair become straightened in the space? Right, fast. Yes, due to the gravity. What gravity? Oindrila, what do you mean by gravity? Is it no gravity or having the gravity? There is no gravity in the space. There is no gravity. Due to the zero gravity, our hair becomes straightened. There is no gravity. Just like in the earth surface, everything is pulled from the center of the earth, and that is gravitational force. But when we go to the space, there is no gravity. That's why everything become very light in weight, and they float within the air. And even everything is just floating. Even if they want to drink the water, they have to catch the blot of the drops of the water. If they want to just wipe their face, they have to catch the blob with the wet cotton and wet tissue, and then they can use it. And everything was very interesting, but it was very difficult for them to lead their life. Now next, some photographs were given here. So these all we have actually completed. One question is there. Okay. From here, magic 1 and 2 we will start, isn't it? So from the magic 1 and 2 we will start. First magic is given here. You will give the answer to me. Yes, ISRO is the International Space Research Orientation. Very good. So ISRO is not international, actually it is Indian, okay, not international. So ISRO is Indian. Everything is correct except international. ISRO is actually from India, and ISRO is Indian Space Research Orientation. Okay, it is not like that international. Now there are two magical moments are given. Suppose you are having one 5 rupee coin. You are dropping that 5 rupee coin along with a few bits of paper. So which one will reach on the surface of the earth at first? Which one, the coin or the papers? Which one? Right, fast. Which one will be come to the yes, it is coin, Oindrila, right? The coin. Why? Because it has some weight. And what about the papers? They will reach, but it will take some time, because they will float in the air and then will come back. But if we are keeping the papers on the coin and then we just drop it, then the both of them will reach on the surface in the same time, because now it will become weighty. And another question is given here. If they have taken two, one is small stone and another is a big lime like stone, and they used one long 2 centimeters or whatever, two bigger stone and thick roll of the paper. Then they have taken the string about the 2 feet long and they just tie both of them, stick or tie the mouse to the stone. Now put the string into the roll of the paper. Then we put the string inside the roll of the paper. At the other end of the string, the bigger stone stick the elephant. So one way there will be the mouse, and another end there will be the elephant. When we will just start to rotating in, what you will feel, it seems that mouse is carrying the elephant on its back. Why it happens? What is the reason? This is due to the bigger stone is pulled up and it creates a force. What type of force? It is a centripetal force. It seems that a mouse is carrying the elephant on its back. Okay, now there is another thing Sunita described, her view of the earth from the spaceship. So the earth looks so beautiful and amazing, all where the green and the blue parts are there. As we know, the blue parts are especially for the water. We could clearly see the curved shape of the earth. Now look at the photograph of the earth taken from the space. Is it, can you identify your country? Where is India? Yes, but it is Jannat, it is not international, okay? It is Indian. The other all things are correct. Indian Space Research Organization or orientation, you can say. It is not international, it is from India. Right, you are, yes. Okay, now, no need of saying sorry, dear. You are saying that's all. You are just studying in class 5. You are telling the answer. That is a great advantage. A little bit things are being wrong by me also. So that time you correct me. That doesn't matter. Okay? It doesn't matter. So we together we are learning. No? Now, okay. Tell me, can you find out your country from here? Yes, so we can see the India from this globe or from the space photograph taken. Can you identify any other country? Write the name of the other country, whatever you are finding. A very specific shape is given just below the India, and that is which country? It is an island country. What is the name of the country? What is the name of the country? It is Sri Lanka. Very good. So who has given? Oindrila has given, Shoptok has given, and then Jannat also given Sri Lanka. Yes. So this is the correct answer. We can find the Sri Lanka also in the in that picture. Okay, can any similarity between the earth which we are seeing in the globe and whatever we are seeing in the picture, there is any similarity which you are finding? There is a similarity of what? What thing is similar? Whatever we are seeing in the globe and whatever we are seeing in the picture of taken from the space. Anything is, yes, water bodies are very common, they looks blue, but there is no any borderline. Why there is not any borderline? Because in the in atlas, wherever in the maps or in the globes, we make the lines to make you to understand what is the boundary line and what is the area of any specific country. But nature hasn't divided anything by the lines, so the lines are not seen in the globe. Okay, it is seen in the globe but not in the real picture. Now tell me, there are map on the India. See, there are line between the difference. So can you find the state in which you live? So you know that in map we can find them easily. Okay, can you find the state which you live? Write its name on the map. So yes, in India, when we will find the which state we are living in, West Bengal. So in the West Bengal you can find the Vardhaman. Okay. Okay, Jannat has written Italy. Italy is another country, but it is not nearby us, isn't it? It is, yes, it is in in a side, but there is a difference, but very attaching to us. Assam, yes, Assam is correct, but we are living in West Bengal, no dear. So we can find the Assam, that we have to write about West Bengal, okay, as we are living in West Bengal. And the next, have you seen any other state that you can write Odisha, Assam? They are nearby to us. And Jannat, it was the question that have you seen any other country? So you can write any other country's name also, but to identify Italy is not so common. No, it is not very easy to find out the Italy. Maybe you know the place, that's why you are finding, okay, but we can find out the island countries very easily from the from any kind of picture, okay. Now the next one is Shahmeer thinks that there are lines drawn on the ground between the state. What do you think? Again, there is no lines are drawn in the boundaries. Now next, look at the sky. Imagine hiding such a big moon, such a small coin. So fourth, while looking at the moon, look, I can hide the moon behind the coin. Why don't you try to do something? That's a practice, or that is an activity. Now do you think the moon is flat like the coin or round like the ball? Which shape? It is flat or it is a... Yes, Google, whatever the pictures are shown in the Google, they are actually correct, okay. Now yes, it is oval. Oval is actually earth. I'm asking about the moon. It is ball like or the spherical structure, okay, but earth is oval in shape. Now next page, in 107, look at the moon tonight and draw what it looks like. So it is your homework, you will see and you will write. Now when is the next full moon? At what time will be the moon rise on the day? As we know, the full moon always comes after the 28th day. So just after one full moon, again 28, actually 27 circle, and on 28th day again you can see the full moon on the sky. Now what does the moon look like on the day? So it will be complete Amavasya. There will be no moon, but in Purnima, if we are counting from the Purnima, then it will be full circle moon. Now some festivals are related to moon. Can you tell me the names of the festivals which are related to moon? Yes, it is related to chapter 11 in science. Okay, Eid is there. Any? Yes, very good. Eid, Chhat, anything else? And Holi is also related with our moon. Kali Puja is also with our moon, because Kali Puja always occurs in the when there is no moon, and Eid is on the crescent moon, isn't it? The first day showing of the moon, after the Amavasya, the Eid will be there. And what about the Holi? Holi is always occurs in the day of the full moon, okay. Now yes, Karwa Chauth is also there. Yes, Karwa Chauth is also there, which is related to moon. Okay, very good. Lots of persons are giving the correct answer. Now tell me, did you see anything moving in the sky? What do you think it could be? A star or a shooting star or a satellite? For the TV, telephone and for weather, find out more about this. So the picture, whatever they have given, this is a picture of what? It is not a satellite, it is a moving star. Yes, we can see satellite, we can see comet, anything. But this picture actually of the shooting star or the star which is being broken up and which is moving, okay. So the one, yes, it is a moving star, or you can say it is a type of broken star or the shooting star. So that's why a tail of light is also shown there. Now the next one, if on 28th October the moon come out at, so this one, it is time period is given, so you will see this and do it by your own self, because only the times you have to write. Now come to the next page, that is 108 page. You see this picture carefully and then I will ask you the questions, okay. Page number 108. Come to the page number 108. This is the page number 108. Okay, now see this picture, an interesting photograph. A spaceship went to the moon. This photograph of the earth was clicked from the surface of the moon. See how the earth is looking. Can you see the surface of the moon? Do you have some questions? After looking at the picture, write down those questions and describe them in the class. So I am asking you some question. What is the how you are seeing the surface of the moon? Is it smooth? Is it the surface of the moon is smooth? Is it a smooth moon? No, it is a rough moon. Yes, very good. The surface is rough. Now tell me why the half of the earth is seen from the surface of the moon. Why it happens? Anybody can tell? It's night, but why? Yes, right here it is night. So why the half of the earth is seen on the picture? Due to which activity of the earth? Whatever, the sunlight or night, actually earth is moving around, no? It has a spinning movement. So when we see the earth, it always spins. So we see the earth always spins. So half of the portion is in front of the moon, and from the moon if we'll see, we can see the half of the portion, and sun faces the half of the portion of the earth. That is the reason, no? They are earth is rotating and earth is spinning on its axis, and the half of the portion is seen to us. Or you can see from the sun it will be half, because half of the earth is facing daylight and half of the night. Satvik has written the night, but what is the actual reason? Due to the rotation of the earth faces, half of the earth is facing the lighted portion and half of the earth is facing the night. So if you are taking a snap or the photograph from the surface of the moon, that time the portion which is facing to the moon, that time only the half portion of the picture will become only for the half portion of the earth. Understood? Now, yes. What is this? Yes, it is a yes, it is the picture. Okay, right you are. Now next one is we'll see to the next. Do you the best and the things will work out. So Sunita Williams, she told that she was she was in class 5 years old, she saw the picture of the Neil Armstrong, and in 1969 Neil Armstrong was the first man to walk on the moon. Like any other child, Sunita was also fascinated to see it, and she when she was a young girl, she really loved sports and swimming, and she wanted to become a good diver. So she was never too interested in the studies at the high school. Sunita wanted to become a diver, but she could not get into that course. Instead, she became a helicopter pilot. One day she found out of this that she studied and trained of it and could join the space mission. So as her immunity power was so good, she was good for activities. That's why she was selected and she was trained for the astronaut. She could join the space mission, and what she has done, 2007 Sunita Williams set a new record for the longest space flight by a woman. So she was the first woman who has taken the longest flight in the space. So it was her achievement. Okay. Now Sunita often gives her own example to tell children, if you want to do something in your life, do your best. Don't think whatever you have got, whatever you didn't, whatever you cherish to be, maybe you become something else. So when you are becoming something else, don't be disheartened, because Whatever you are having, you do the best and you will get the flying results and the colorful results. And the last one is, so it is a model story of the Sunita Williams. We can get any suggestions, we can get the morality from her, that we can do, we can achieve anything, and whatever we have to do that thing very carefully. And why we sleep downside, why we do not go to the upside, what is the reason of it? Don't show me the Google's things, okay? Whatever your knowledge, you show me it to me, because Google I can also search. So don't search it. If you get the knowledge from there, you write it down. Don't send me the pictures, okay? Now, why the persons slide towards the down? Why they are not sliding upward? Yes, anybody? When we slide, when come down, we come down, no, generally, we do not go up. Why? This is due to, again, this is due to the gravitational force. Anything which is just falling from the tree, anything which is falling from the tree, anything, when we are sliding, always we come down, we never goes up, due to the specific gravitational force present in the earth. Okay, so that's all for the day, and now I'm completing it here, and the next day we will write the question answers, and few question or few short questions maybe we will write from the exercise. Okay, so that's all for the day. Yes, thank you, and please give your presence, and if you have any kind of question related to it, you can ask me next. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.